and welcome back to my channel. It's me, YCB. Today I have a good one for you. I am showing you how to take a simple, delicious, store-bought frozen cheesecake. This is by Daya, vegan cheesecake. By the way, there is no sponsoring. They did not. We're taking the simple, delicious cheesecake and making it magazine worthy, like Vogue magazine worthy. So stay tuned. If this is your first time here, hello, I'm YC. We have a lot of fun here. We talk on subjects, whether it's about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, wellness, faith, whatever it is that hits my spirit, I share with you guys. So I'm glad you're here. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more videos, or if you have recommendations of videos you want to see. I am open to it all. So stay tuned as I'm showing you how to take something so simple and make it magazine worthy. Like, seriously, Bon Appetit magazine worthy. Stay tuned.
Okay, so the first thing I like to do is to select what fruits I'm going to be using. I try to stay very much so in season with the cranberries, figs, and oranges, but also blueberries because I love them. So first I want to make my cranberry sauce by adding 1 cup to a medium saucer or a small saucer, as well as a little less than a half a cup of sugar. And put it in the saucer. Of course, the saucer is on a medium heat. And you just want to stir that around as such, just marrying those 2 ingredients together really well. And then to brighten up the cranberry tartness, I also added citrus notes with oranges. I love oranges and cranberries together. I think it's a great combination, as well as thyme. Love herbs, period. So I'm adding fresh thyme here. Then we're going to stir that around really pretty like. Yes, ma'am. And then add a half a cup of water. The half cup of water is going to help simmer our item, and then let it do its thing like this. So I'm grated some oranges, and I'm also going to plate it on either a cake board or a plate. I'm doing both. And now we take our Daya cheesecake out. As you can see, it's plain. And we're going to begin topping with a cooled down cranberry sauce. Again, cooled down. Do not put hot cranberry sauce onto this cake. And so we're going to just top it off. It's going to serve as our glue, so to speak, for everything else. And as you can see right here, it's not so bad, right? But we're going for magazine worthy, so we're going to put on some blueberries. And I noticed that the blueberries actually could stick well to the cranberry mixture, which I appreciate a lot. So you don't have to worry about things falling off. And there we are with 2 dark hues to this white background. Now I'm going to jazz it up a little bit with some figs. Now, I'm not a figs person. I don't eat figs. Jesus did, so maybe we should all eat some. They're really good for you, though. Really, really good in fiber and antioxidants. So I'm cutting those up, as well as some oranges. We're going to put some orange slices onto the top of this cake as well, just to brighten up the colors a little bit more. I don't want it to look all dark and rustic as much as I want it to just have a very balanced look, if that makes sense. It will when you see it. All right, so we just start topping. Oranges, figs, and more figs, and more figs, and more oranges. We just top it away. The beauty in topping is that you can always get rid of what you don't need or add something else that'll bring it together. As you can see right here, I'm not too impressed with this. I think it's a little too busy. And so you'll see in a few where I just start taking off things in order to add additional things that will make it work. I mean, it's pretty, but it's just not what I want. So I'm taking off some figs here, as you can see. And then I am adding that orange zest that I zested earlier. Adding the orange zest to the top. And then we're going to add some juice of the cranberry mixture. Just the juice, not the actual cranberries itself. We've got enough of those. But I like how it drips down and just makes a beautiful backdrop on that white canvas. And we're going to add some rustic notes of rosemary. I think it looks a lot like pine needles. And of course, we're not putting pine on here. So that rosemary just spells autumn or winter. I think it'll be pretty. And you just put it all around, a little on top, a little around. See? I like that. And then I put some more blueberries. I placed those around the cake. And I'm going to drizzle some honey now to go along with those figs, because I think figs and honey just work. That actually sounds like a brand, Figs and Honey. Thank me later. But here we are. Here we are.
I could just eat it all the way up. You guys, I told you, you can take something so simple as a frozen dessert and make it magazine worthy, as you've seen me do now. And I'm telling you, if I can do it, you can do it easily. All you need is a little bit of creativity, a little bit of imagination, and can create something so grand. Listen, if you love this video, please let me know by commenting below. If you have ideas or just suggestions that you would have done differently to the cheesecake, I'm open. Drop them down low. Like, subscribe, share with your friends about this channel. I'm new to it, still growing it, and I'm having fun doing it. So, hey, judge me or not, I don't care. But anyway, I hope you have a fantastic week. I look to talk to you more as I have some delicious content coming up. Not all about food either, but a lot about food. And I'll see you very, very soon. Have a beautiful day and make sure you stay close to God.